Now to begin, navigate to inventory, then inventory audit. From the drop down, click create new audit, audit name, create audit, then you add product. Now, so all you have to do is to physically count each product in your store and enter the actual quantity counted in the system. As you enter the quantities, Overloop automatically compares the counted stock with the recorded stock and highlights any variances. For example, this has 28 bottles. If I should write 25, yeah, I have minus 3. Then this has 41, then I found 45. Now, the quantity has changed. Here, this has 0 pieces. I found 5 plus 5, 9, 0, 28, 0. So this makes it easy to identify products that have excess stock or shortages. So once you've completed the count, review the report and see if there is any difference between the expected and actual quantities. Then click on submit audit. This updates your inventory records, making the counted quantities